Welcome to this YouTube video. On this video, I want to show you that the error, unknown error, updating ad breaks, please try again later on YouTube, is not happening just to you. So here, I'm on my YouTube channel and I will try to add ad breaks after video. And let me try to just add a few ad breaks. Then when I try to save, it is not saving. So I go to save changes. Boom, it's not saving. Let me show you the error. Okay, you see the error here, unknown error, updating ad breaks. It's not just happening to you, it's a problem, it's an issue with YouTube at the moment. We are September 12, 2019 UK time, so I don't know when it will be fixed, but for the moment I just want to let you know that it is not happening just to you. I've searched Google and so many posts have been published on the issue, and there's even this top one is the top link is from YouTube itself. Let me try to click it. Can't add ad breaks 2 hours ago. It is just me, or did anyone else get this message when adding ad breaks? Unknown error, updating ad breaks. Please try again later. Many thanks. Okay, let me see. Upvote 34 upvote. Yeah, same issue here. Let me know if anyone know how to fix this. So far I don't know how to fix it, but yeah, it happened to me as well. I made the video, so let me go and publish the video. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.